Morning guys, so today is my first day of actual learning at university rather than just freshers week. I've been here obviously for a week now and it's been really good. I've been having a really good time, but now I have to actually start doing some proper learning, which actually feels really weird because I haven't done learning in like 7 months because of lockdown. So I'm really hoping it will be okay and that I won't have like, I don't know, forgotten how to learn, and I'm hoping I haven't lost my Spanish too much. I guess we'll just have to see. So today I have one in-person lecture at 10 AM and then I have 2 hours online lectures later on in the day because obviously with COVID it's not going to be all in person. I've got like the mixed approach here at Southampton. So just for a bit of context, if you haven't seen my channel before, my name is Immie and I'm currently at the University of Southampton in my first year studying linguistics and Spanish. So yeah, I just need to get ready. I need to get a bus around like 9:10 I think, because I just want to leave like plenty of time. The buses can be really unreliable with like getting there on time because of the traffic, but I'm just gonna go and get ready now and then I'll see you in a bit. My outfit for today, these jeans are from Urban Outfitters and then I have this t-shirt on which I actually bought from a charity shop and then cropped and hemmed it, and it's actually ended up being one of my favourite tops that I own and it's by a brand I've never even heard of. So that's my outfit and I'm going to put on my Nike Technos as well, I think. I got a bit of mascara under my eye, but other than that, this makeup is fine and it only took me 15 minutes to do, so that's good. And now I need to go and get some breakfast and then head off. I'm low-key stressed right now because I only recently got my timetable and there've been a bunch of changes to the timetables recently, so I don't really know if mine's actually right, which is a bit stressful. I'm just gonna have to hope that it is and turn up to the lectures that are on there at the moment, and if not, then I don't really know what I'm gonna do. But I guess I'll cross that bridge if I come to it. I thought I was about to miss the bus, but then I realised there's another one in like 5 minutes. So it's fine, I was literally rushing and then just didn't need to. So the bus is in 4 minutes, so I'm gonna head down now, I think. I've got my rucksack all packed. I just hope I have everything. It's gonna be really embarrassing if I've forgotten something important. Wish me luck. I'm actually really nervous, to be honest. I think it's quite normal to be nervous, but we'll just see how it goes and hopefully it'll be good, but I'll let you know how it went afterwards. back from my lecture. I've just done some washing up because I didn't have time to do it earlier because I was running late, which is no surprise, I'm always late. So that was weird. My first lecture done, and it was in person, so that's quite nice. And it actually went really fast. Met some nice girls, finally found someone else doing my course, which is fun because I literally haven't found anyone else doing my course so far. And it felt really nice to speak Spanish again because I literally haven't had a conversation in Spanish in so long because of lockdown. It was very refreshing to finally be in a Spanish classroom again. So now I have 2 more hours of like classes today, but they're both online. But I know that I also have some reading to get done for tomorrow. I don't really know what class it's for. I need to find out what I've got to do. I just feel so overwhelmed at the moment, I'm not gonna lie. There's like so many timetabling changes and stuff put up that we're supposed to do, but I don't even know like what it is, to be honest. So I'm just gonna try and navigate the website that they use now and see what I have to get done, but I'm pretty sure it's just like reading and stuff. So I'll try and get that done now because I have an hour before my next class. So I've actually just been doing some planning out of my week in my planner because I feel like once I write everything out, I have a much better idea of what I've actually got to do, and I'll be less stressed like trying to work out where I need to go or like what lectures I have that day if I've already planned it out and like got in my head what I have. So that's basically what I've done, and turns out I don't think my lecture at 1 is happening. It was only an online one anyway, but I think it's actually starting next week. So I mean, that's fine with me. That's 1 hour less today, so that means I just have 1 more hour, and that's at 2 p.m. So until then I'm gonna actually do some of that reading that I said I had to do because I haven't done that yet because I've been planning. I'm gonna go and try and find the reading on the website. Like I honestly feel like such an idiot because I just feel like I can't work out this website, but I feel like everyone's having the same problem at the moment, to be honest. We're all new to this, trying to work out what to do, but I personally just find it kind of confusing. See, I click on things I don't even know I've done. We'll see if I even work out this website. I'm gonna watch this video back in like a year's time, be like, Immie, what the hell? Oh, I did it, it's fine. I found out what I need to do. So yeah, I've finished my planning out of my week and I'm gonna do some reading now. I honestly haven't done much reading yet. Literally like all I've done so far is just highlight some things that are interesting and will be useful for me for answering the questions that I have to answer. But I feel really hungry now, so I think I'm gonna go and get some lunch. I feel like I might make a smoothie. I'm in the mood for a smoothie bowl, so I might make one. Okay, I've had my lunch and I look like a mess, and now I actually have a lecture that's been recorded, I think. Oh my god, my hair. I'm gonna put that behind. There we go. It should go up in like 8 minutes and then I should be able to watch it in theory, but I'm not sure if the software's working right now that they usually use to put up the lectures, so I guess sorry. So I guess I'll just have to see. I'm gonna take my hair out because this is ridiculous. There we go. Anyway, I'm gonna go and do this lecture hopefully, and then I will get back to you. So, quick update. It's now 3 o'clock and I've gone to look at the lecture and it still says that the software is down, so can't use that, which is really annoying. I think the lecture, like the actual PowerPoint of the lecture, is online, so I'm just gonna have to look through that, but it's definitely not the same as watching an actual lecture. But I'm sure it'll be fine. Literally my first day and I already have so much to do. I mean, I guess I expected this, like it's uni. Anyway, I'm gonna look through this lecture now and yeah, hopefully it's not too bad. Okay, I've just finished doing the lecture. It took, wait, what time is it now? It took me literally like 2 hours and 15 minutes. And it's supposed to be a 1 hour lecture. That was because I took notes, and when I take notes, I take ages because I'm a perfectionist. But finally finished the lecture. I still have some reading to do for Wednesday, but I think I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow. I'm gonna do a little bit more now. But my flatmates and I are going out to IKEA at about 6. Guess what? My camera just died, so we're on my phone. I think I was just saying that I might do a bit more reading tonight, but then I'm gonna go to IKEA, and I wanted to go to the gym today, but like my body is aching so much and I'm not really sure why. At some point I have to have dinner, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. This is my daily struggle, like trying to work out what I wanna have for dinner. Anyway, I'm gonna go do more reading now, and then I'm gonna go to IKEA. I was just doing my washing up and the first of my shellac nails has fallen off, which is really sad. Anyway, I've decided I'm just gonna go and cook my dinner now so that I can eat before we go out to IKEA. So I think I'm gonna make an omelette because that's easy, quick, yummy, and yeah, I'm gonna go and do that now.
VA second album, Beta and Alpha. I'm bravest. I take to the stage and I spout loud, invading the game with a name out. All the haters finally let it play.
I'm Eddie. Nice to meet you. I'm in and out of the group. Immie's the mum of the group.
And we're late to IKEA.
Yeah, because someone decided to drive washing up. No, that's cut. Is this going on the YouTube?
She ain't really worth to cut her off like a curfew. Summer 17, got the beats and the herb too. Rips in my jeans flow, iller than the bird flu. Molly in the waiters, all I do is serve you. Talk shit, nah homie, you ain't got the nerve to. In and out lanes on the interstate. I know it never changed, just the interface. That mean to blow up, I will never grow up. Concrete go up, that's what happened when I blow up. Late night microphone blessing. Late night my girl, she texting. Off-white type, I'll be dressed in.
Who wants to get in the trolley?
I'm getting a trolley. I want Eddie to push me around like a baby.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Angus.
Whole squad just hit re for the re-up.
We've lost Angus and Ewan.
I haven't lost Angus.
No. We've lost Eddie and Ewan. Oh my god, it's still zoomed in.
Whoa.
The loud coat of heavy metal.
Cushion.
You get like one of these base ones and you put a cover on it.
Oh, because I was just going to get this because it's like, it's green.
I think that's the base.
Yeah, it is, but then I could just trim that off.
It'd be nice to put like a lovely cover on it.
I know, but then it wouldn't match the colour scheme, would it?
You find one that matches your colour scheme.
It's not in focus. Okay. Cushion.
Top down, where the top not found. Ain't no fucking top round. Hit him with the lockdown. I'm so elevated.
Should I get this one? Wait, should I get one from lower down?
Do you want me to get
Oh my god, thank you.
Girl, I'm impressing.
Late
night microphone blessing. Late night my girl, she texting.
Get the panda this time.
Hit the top floor.
That's literally a dog.
I can't really do a full-grown line.
There was literally a line next to the dog and you picked up the dog.
Full-grown line. We can't do it to Mufasa. We have to do it to Simba.
Up there?
No.
Okay, thank you, Angus.
Okay, you're welcome. Or do you want me to go faster? We're trying to get those cinematic shots. It's like this. It's like this. No, and then follow my arm. This camera, crazy. I'm vlogging now. Guys, you know, while I've got the camera, a small plug. The music in this video is made by me. Fill up my SoundCloud, YouTube, whatever, Spotify.
I don't know where they are.
High five.
Why is this like a milk carton light? I'm so confused. Yeah, I'm so confused by that.
£17.
Door closes in exactly 14 minutes.
Check out the shoe over there.
Yeah.
Last corner, here we come. Oh, okay.
Let's go. It's actually not too bad in low lighting.
Bring up the camera. You should go on DSLR.
Yeah, but they're bigger.
Like full on Casey Neistat it. Have one of those weird like bendy tripods.
Oh my god.
And I really mind read YouTube videos one day. They'll just be on my phone.
Yeah, well that's why I've only got this in lockdown.
Oh, fair enough. I want to do it with the GoPro because then it'll be the 5. But you know what? I need to get like videos out there. Spread the word.
I'll leave a link down below to Angus Bruce.
I need to edit a video first, so.
We've lost the other. Right guys, who wants to do a haul when we get home?
No, not really. No. You can. I'm good. I'm gonna pass.
So we're back from IKEA. That was so hectic, but I figured I should probably show you what I got because I know I'd want to see what someone bought if I was watching this video. I don't know, so I'll show you. So I got this like thin green cushion thing because this chair, my desk chair, is like really unsupportive and my back gets really sore from it. So I thought that I could put this on and it might help a little bit. I'm not sure. We'll see. It was £3. And then to go on that, I got this cushion cover, which was £5, I think, like more expensive than the cushion. And then I also got this rug to go just there by my bed because the floor is really hard and I thought this would be much nicer to wake up to and put your feet on in the morning, if that makes sense. So yeah, that is everything I bought in IKEA. I need to get ready for bed now, but I need to take my makeup off and get ready for bed. I honestly cannot believe that my first day at uni is done. It's crazy, like all those years working at school to get to uni, and I'm here and it's done. And it was not much. I'm really grateful to be here, but I'm very stressed because I already have so much reading to do, and I guess that's just the reality of uni. Like obviously I expected it would be a lot, but it's just hard. I'm going to go ahead and get ready for bed now and see how early of a night I can get, because I've been getting such late nights recently because freshers week. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this crazy video. I don't really know what it's going to be like once I edit it. I just thought it was fun. You can see what I'm like with my flatmates because we're kind of crazy together. It's really fun. And yeah, if you did enjoy it, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And yeah, I think that is pretty much everything, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!